Do you want to change ownership of your Facebook page? You can transfer Facebook business page ownership with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change ownership of a Facebook page. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Changing ownership of a Facebook page involves transferring administrative control of the page to someone else. This action is necessary in various situations, such as when a business changes ownership, when a page creator wishes to hand over control to someone else, or when a page manager leaves the organization. To change the ownership of a Facebook business page, first, open your Facebook app on your mobile device. Once open, navigate to the Facebook page for which you want to change the ownership. Now you are on the business page's news feed. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. If you are using an iPhone, it is located in the bottom right corner. Tap on your page name from the top of the screen. Now you are in the business page profile. Below the profile and cover picture, you will see different buttons like Add to the Story, Manage, and Edit. Tap on the Manage button. This will open Page Professional Dashboard. Now tap on the setting icon from the top right side of the screen, or scroll down to the Tools section. Here you will see Monetization, Ad Center, Page Access, and more. Just tap on Page Access. Here you will see all the people who currently have access to your page. To transfer ownership of your Facebook page, first, you need to add that person as an admin with full access. To do this, tap on Add New on the right side of the people with Facebook access. Read and tap the Next button at the bottom of the screen. Type the name of the friend or their email address in the search bar and select the person from the list of search results. Give the person full control of the page by enabling the toggle button. Once enabled, tap the Give Access button at the bottom of the page. Facebook will then ask you to enter your Facebook password to confirm the process. Now you have successfully added someone to your Facebook page as an admin, but there are still some steps left to change the ownership of the page. To transfer ownership of a Facebook business page, first, that person needs to accept your invitation for full access. Once your friend accepts the invitation to access your page, go back to your Page Access section and tap on the three dots next to your name. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Remove from Page. You will need to enter your Facebook account password and then tap on the Confirm button. Now you have successfully transferred ownership of your Facebook business page. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the ownership of a Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.